Hi, I'm Paul. I'm a technical director in an IT company, and I give Divi 2 out of 5. So when we're looking at different website builders, we use Oxygen Builder, we use Elementor, and we used Divi because a lot of our clients brought in Divi. And what we found is that we then bought a lifetime license for Divi so that we could support our clients who are now using Divi on their websites. So I found that the good things about Divi are that someone who's just installed WordPress themselves can set up a website fairly easily and quickly. They can edit their own stuff, they can add a form, they can add a slider, they can add images, and it is quite easy to do. And that is one of the best things about Divi. So onboarding into our company was a bit weird. Because we had clients that came to us with websites with Divi already installed and websites developed in Divi by smaller agencies, it was quite difficult because our staff have their own workflows and their own procedures that they use. So we bought a lifetime license so that we could make sure that our clients were properly licensed and that we could actually work on it without having to contact the previous agencies or the previous people who worked on it. When we then had those licenses done, we then got together as a team and actually worked on how we're going to put Divi into our workflow, how we're going to make sure that it is as efficient as possible and we can get designs and development out as efficiently as possible. So if you are small and you've got a website that you want to put up for yourself, Divi is amazing. It really is very, very good. However, if you want a website that is fast, that is semantically correct, that is better at being used with CSS, with advanced features and blogging and queries that you can place on different things in terms of blog posts and do queries on that, and then have advanced things like a real estate website where you've got different houses up for sale or for rent. Divi is definitely not that program, and it will never be that program, in my opinion. It is fine for someone who is starting out, who's wanting a very amateurish blog or website, and even I've seen some agencies that are using it that just want to use a complete template that they can say, we're going to charge you whatever, and they push import template, change the text, and say, there is your website. But in terms of developing websites, that is not actually what it should be.